In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete an Eventbrite event. Deleting an event on Eventbrite is a two-step process. You first unpublish it, and then you permanently remove it from your account. I'll walk you through each part clearly so you know exactly what to expect. Start by signing into Eventbrite on your computer. Use the same account that owns the event you want to remove, and make sure you have the right permissions if you manage events for a team. Once you're logged in, you're ready to head to your event tools. Open your event dashboard by clicking your profile icon in the top corner and choosing Manage My Events. From the list that appears, select the specific event you want to remove. Take a quick moment here to confirm you've opened the right event, especially if you manage multiple listings with similar names. Inside the event dashboard, look for the Event Status dropdown. Eventbrite requires that an event be unpublished before it can be deleted. So choose Unpublish Event. When prompted, click OK to confirm. Unpublishing takes your event offline, which means it's no longer visible or bookable to the public, but it still exists in your account, so you can take the final step. Now that the event is unpublished, go back to the Manage My Events page. Open the Drafts section. That's where unpublished events live. Find the event you just unpublished, click the three dots menu next to it, and select Delete. You'll likely be asked to confirm again. Deleting is permanent and removes the event along with its attendee information from your account, so be absolutely sure this is what you want. There are a few important restrictions you should know about. You may not be able to delete an event if tickets or orders already exist, if any paid orders haven't been refunded, or if free registrations haven't been canceled. Eventbrite generally requires that completed orders be refunded or canceled before deletion is allowed. If you choose to keep completed orders on record, the event may only become deletable after 120 days. That waiting period helps preserve order history for accounting and attendee support, so plan your timeline accordingly. To recap, sign in, open Manage My Events, select your event, unpublish it from the Event Status dropdown, then return to Drafts, open the three dots menu, and choose Delete. With those steps, you can cleanly remove an Eventbrite event when it's no longer needed. Thanks for watching, and take care when deleting, since it can't be undone.